What's going on, Rankin family? Welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a Perry Homes. Now this one's in the Woodland Hills right here. As you can tell, that's a community, master plan community, absolutely beautiful. I actually have a client that's under contract and she's getting this exact plan built, very similar to it. And this is the 2944W plan. And as you will recall, the floor plan or 2944, it would be the same as the square footage. So now you have this nice wooden door right here. And as soon as you walk into the foyer, you know, Perry Homes, they like to do a great job as far as the tray ceilings as soon as you walk in. And right to the right, you're going to have this high ceiling study. Absolutely fantastic. Now, this is the model house, so it's going to be dressed up just how a lot of you folks love. And I want to make sure I bring the best of the best on this channel for you folks. So as you can see, the furniture is absolutely beautiful. You have the double French doors right there. You have the nice floating shelves right there as well. And you know, Perry Homes, they love to do ceramic, wood-like tile, and that's going to be throughout the property, except for in the bedrooms. And this is going to be the first bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. You got your nice queen size bed right here with the 2 nightstands, and you still have plenty of space. You have that beautiful lighting fixture coming down as well. And then right here will be your nice size walk-in closet. And then they will have another bedroom that's right across the way as well. So this could be perfect for if you have 2 little children, or if you just want to have siblings or family members right next to each other. So this will be separated. You have the shower tub combo. You have this door right here. That way they can take a shower in peace, and you can still use the sink to get ready in the morning. And then this will be the second bedroom right here. You have your LED stainless steel ceiling fan on top. You have plenty of space inside of here. You got your 4-inch baseboards as well. You got the nice size windows to bring in plenty of natural light. And then let's take a look at the closet. Same size, plenty of room in there. So these 2 bedrooms will share this bathroom right here. And then right there would be the garage. And then right here, you'll have your nice size media room. So you got plenty of space. You have carpet inside of the media room, but you definitely have enough space to put as much furniture as you need. And the good thing is about this media room is you don't have the window, so you don't have to worry about covering that up. But you have the beautiful lighting fixtures right there. Gives it a nice cozy vibe. All right, and I'll make sure that you can see both of these closets. This will be a little storage closet right here, and then in this one you'll have a nice coat closet. Perfect. And I love how they have this piece of furniture right here. Just adds a nice little touch. And then now you're going to have your dining room. You have these 3 windows right here that adds plenty of light in here as well. You got the high ceilings open to the living room right there and the kitchen. But before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look down this hallway right here. Right here, you'll have your utility room. You got the built-in cabinetry, oversized washer and dryer, and you still have plenty of space. And the high ceilings continues in here as well. And then let's go down this hallway. And then you'll have another little closet right here. And this will be your 3rd bedroom. So again, you got the LED ceiling fan right here. You have plenty of space, plenty of walk room, as you can tell. And this bedroom will have its own bathroom attached to it. And let's take a look in here. So you got the stainless steel lighting fixture, quartz countertops, white cabinetry with the stainless steel knobs right there and handles, and the nice walk-in shower. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, give me a shout to the contact information below. Be happy to help. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I always say it'll be great to have you a part of the Rankin family. We're growing every single day, and I'm extremely appreciative of the fact that you guys would even want to see this. And I'd love for you to become a part as well. All right, so now look how beautiful this is. So you have the upgraded sliding doors inside of here. You have the high ceilings that continues in here. You have your electric fireplace right there, dead center. Now this is fantastic. Look how much natural light comes in here. And then even looking at the front door, you see how beautiful that is. So imagine your guests walking in straight ahead and them being greeted with this beauty. Fantastic. Now, taking a look at the kitchen, you have the white cabinetry, you have your stacked cabinets on top, beautiful lighting fixtures overlooking the island, the white cabinetry with the brick-like backsplash right here. Wow, look how fabulous this looks. Wonderful, wonderful. You got your built-in double ovens, built-in microwave as well. This is gonna be your pantry. Not the biggest, I understand, but it definitely does what it needs to do, which is hold food and storage, right? And then this will be your nice breakfast area. Look at all the windows. Remember, we had a Perry Homes recently that we showcased a couple of days ago, and they had all these windows as well for plenty of natural light. And I'll pan one more time so you can see what we're working with. Wow, fabulous. All right, now the primary bedroom is hidden. Let's take a look over here. So this is your coffee bar area right here. Have your nice Keurig right there. And the ceramic tile extends inside of here. And look how beautiful this is. Wow. You can't get much better than this, folks. You got plenty of space. The furniture does a fantastic job of showcasing this property. That's why I always want to bring you model houses, so that way you can just see the true beauty of a home. In the beginning stages of this channel, I was bringing homes that were vacant, and yeah, they were nice, but they definitely didn't do it justice like this one does. And before we go into the primary bathroom, let me do one more pan so that way you can see how beautiful this is. Even looking at the ceilings, that's what's amazing. Can you imagine waking up in the morning and that's the first thing that you see? You know you're living in luxury. And let's take a look at the primary bathroom. So you have the oversized soak-in tub, tile flooring extending in here, has the design of quartz countertops. It looks fantastic. And you have quartz countertops for the his and her sink. Gorgeous. You got your wooden mirror frames right there, 2 lighting fixtures that match one another. It looks fantastic. And let's take a look inside of the shower. You got the high ceilings with the tile backsplash slash shower surround, whatever you want to call it. You got your shower bench right there, the black shower head right there that adds a nice true elegance. And let's take a look at these. Look at these 3 doors. How funny is that? All right, so the first one, of course, is going to be your closet. Absolutely fantastic. You definitely have plenty of space in here. Even just taking a look right here, you got the built-in shelving right there as well, which is fantastic. And then right here, there'll be a little closet to put your linens and towels and things. And this will be your second closet right here. So the other one definitely had a lot more room to walk in, which would probably be for the ladies and fellas. This would be ours right there. And of course, this is going to be your toilet right here, but I want to make sure I open every single door for you so that way you can see what you're working with. Again, Rankin family, so this is the 2944W floor plan. As mentioned, a lot of times Perry Homes has a ton of different floor plans, over 80 floor plans that you can choose from. And sometimes they're even just, a few square footage bigger, but they definitely have a lot more, designs to it, and the floor plan is different. So just keep that in mind. And this is your nice extended covered patio. Absolutely beautiful. So we are in the Woodland Hills, so you'll notice a lot of these backyards are slanted because they are on hills itself, but just depending on the particular lot that you choose. Wow, look how gorgeous this is. This is perfect for entertaining anybody. Now it is a little cold out here, so you might see some ice right here. We're definitely not in Alaska or anything like this. This is definitely a part of the greater Houston area, and this is the lot. But I'll make sure to showcase the back of the property, and that, folks, is Perry Homes. All right, Rankin family, so that was Perry Homes 2944W floor plan. Let me know in the comments below what you folks thought about it, and if you thought it was absolutely hideous, I'd love to hear that feedback as well. Any feedback is great feedback, right? And if you want more information, I have all of it in the description below for you, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.